Hello everyone, so this is a nail design I decided to do this week, and the nail design that I decided to do is really simple to do. It's a little time consuming, but it's really simple. It doesn't require a whole lot to do. The first thing I did was I painted my nails pink. My ring finger I painted pink all over. The rest of my nails I painted pink just on the tip. Even the ones that I have crystals all over, I painted pink also on the tip. And the nail polish I use is by Clean Colors. It's number 139 and it's called Pastel Pink. It's a really pretty pink nail polish. So afterwards, I just applied some crystals on my nails. On my pinky and my thumb, both of those nails are exactly alike. The bottom part of my nail is like I believe these are called a light rose AB or something like that. But anyway, the color of them, they're like a really light baby pink, but they also have that iridescent to it, like crystal AB crystals as well. So they reflect different colors, but it's also the base of it is the base color of it is like a light pink, but it reflects different colors as well. And I also use some crystal AB crystals, Swarovski crystals on my nails. These are size 4SS or 5SS, one of those two. But they're crystal AB, and I use these to outline my French manicure with. So even on my pinky finger, you can see that it's outlined with crystal AB, and on the tip of my nail, I use the pink AB crystals on my nails. For my ring finger, the design is going to be a little bit different. I have these 3D, like 3D pink roses, and they have like a crystal in the center of them. And I am so sorry, I do not remember where I don't remember where I purchased these from. I know I got them off eBay, but I actually purchased them probably about 4 or 5 years ago, and they have been just sitting in my armoire, and I haven't used any of them, and I decided to use them. So I don't have a link or anything like that. I'm so sorry, but I'm going to use one of these on my nails. It came in a little Ziploc bag like this. It was 10 of them in there. I think it's 10. It's 3, 6. Yeah, it was 10 in there, and I'm just going to put one on my ring finger, and I'm going to be applying it with my Kiss nail art glue. All of the crystals on my nails, I painted my nails, I top coated my nails with Sèche Vite, and then I applied and waited for them to dry, and then I applied Kiss nail glue on top of my nails, and I applied the crystals. I'm not going to top coat the crystals because I want them to stay blingy. If you prefer to top coat yours, I mean, you can do that. When I'm using Swarovski crystals, I don't like top coating my Swarovski crystals. I like to keep them as blingy as possible, so I just apply them with nail glue. I use the Kiss brush on nail glue. I've mentioned that several times in some of my old videos. I like this glue because it holds really well. It's a brush on glue. You have better control over it when you apply it on your nails rather than the glue that's in a bottle. And also, it dries really fast. So, if you apply the crystals fast enough, you can get it on. If not, you just add a little bit of glue as you go and do it in small areas at a time if you can't get it all on before it dries. So next, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be applying one of these in the center of my nails, and then I'm going to add some crystal clear crystals, and I'm going to be using the crystal AB crystals on my nails as well. basically it for this nail design. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.